Just let you know, you know, as I explained in the previous video, I'm going to use this gazebo structure to be the exterior shell for the double layer. And yeah, today I'm just testing, see whether I can start digging. But actually this is 10 o'clock in the morning, still frozen. The ground is frozen, as you can see. It's frozen, and I got this pool of water. It's liquid, in the afternoon, but it's frozen. Yeah, it's frozen. I got gravel outside in the front, and so I need to prepare a way. When it's warm in the afternoon, at the the topsoil will be very muddy, so I need to prepare this, so in the future when it's relatively dry I can use this to move gravel from the front yard. And this is the backyard. This is the PyraTENT 4 V17. The cover is not right, so but anyway, so we're gonna start from here. And yeah, this is what I'm doing today. Just last bit of area needed to cover with gravel, and it's done. Okay, I finished the last section of the path, gravel path, for me to move the gravel from the front yard to the backyard. Okay, I finished it. And yeah, in the afternoon, hopefully, yeah, the ground is soft, relatively soft, and can step on the gravel and then push the gravel into the soil and make it sturdy. I mean, concrete relative, so I can move gravel to this area. But the first step, I'm gonna remove the topsoil. Okay, move the topsoil through this path to that corner. Okay, so that I won't end up having a pile of dirt here, right? I'm gonna move it there, so that's a relatively lower ground. And then I dig a hole, right? Square hole. Probably create a very little pond, larger than the soap reservoir. Soap reservoir. I'm gonna use this. The pond liner is here. It's this is the leftover. I cut it off, so I can use that to form a small pond. Just slightly bigger than the bottom of this barrel. So that there's water, soap liquid inside and also water outside. And the water is always there. I can control the level, so it's always at a certain level. And there's some heat exchange, right? Natural heat exchange, and so kind of increase the amount of thermal mass, right? The water, because there's water inside, water outside, so increase the capacity for heat storage. Yeah. If it's just temporary tent, you don't have to do it, but I like to do it properly because I need to show people, right, the process. If you use it for relative permanent, relative long term, and then it's good you get the heat storage area built first. That's the base. Actually, the idea is not only to transfer the solar thermal from the air to the water, right, but also have a space to store the thermal mass, right? So basically water inside and water outside that barrel, and that will increase the capacity and will make things much better, especially when you are located in the area that's very, very cold or very, very warm, right, or hot, right? You know what I mean? So, you know, in order to cool this structure, you know, yeah, you have to somehow, you know, have enough thermal mass to balance, the heat, right? So that in the summertime you reduce the air temperature, right? And in the wintertime, you know, you want to keep it warm inside. So yeah, that's why we have this Okanagan Lake. You know, it's blocked by the tree. See over there, this is the mountain view. Yeah, it's very deep. The deepest area is 175 meters, so extremely deep, and large, you know, massive amount of water. So because of that, you know, that lake never freeze, you know, because the reason is the water, the massive water, right, absorb the solar energy during the summertime, you know, enough to be used in the winter time, you know, to be released slowly, right, so that the lake never freeze. Yeah, even when the temperature reach you know, -20. I've been living in Kelowna for 3 years almost, and the lowest temperature I saw, it's -29 degrees Celsius. So, but even at that time, you know, we never see the lake got frozen, you know, not even on the surface. So anyways, that explains, that's a perfect real example of the storage capacity of water. You know, as long as you have massive amount of water, then you increase the heat storage capacity. Yeah, so that's the idea. Anyway, this is the view. That's it. And next time you're gonna probably see me, you know, removing topsoil and digging the hole.